Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fine today, and the topic for today's video is 8 most common words, sentence or expressions used in Spain. So without wasting any time, let's quickly check what these are. So the expression number 1 is hasta pronto, which means see you soon. Expression number 2 is encantado or encantada de conocerte, which means it was nice to know you, it was nice to meet you. Next expression would be estuvo muy bien, which means it was really good. So it can be related to a dinner. For example, estuvo muy bien la cena, which means the dinner was really good. Next expression is quedarse en blanco, which means being blank. So of course we use this expression when somebody has suddenly forgotten something, which means me quedé en blanco, quedarse en blanco. Next expression is media naranja. Media naranja literally means half an orange, but the translation into English would be my better half. So media naranja would be my better half. The next expression is ponerse como un tomate, which means literally to put up a face like a tomato, but what it actually means is to blush. So ponerse como un tomate. And last but not the least is tener una memoria de elefante, which means having a great memory. Literally means having a memory of an elephant. So I hope you like this video. If you do like it, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click to the like button and do let me know in your comment box what other topics you would like me to share on this channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you soon.